I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Our goal is to turn your bookkeeping from a headache into your greatest competitive advantage.
Mistakes are easy to make, so we should always be looking to improve, in life and in business. Here's the ultimate checklist with 5 ways you can improve your invoices. Throughout the series, I've broken down the whole invoicing process, covering key points like how to make your own invoice. This video is for people who have been in business for a while and are looking to improve their invoices to help get prompt payment. Here's 5 great ways to improve your invoicing process. Number 1, check your payment terms. Make sure they're really easy to see. Refresh your formatting and make sure your payment terms stand out. Then, make sure everything your customer needs to know is included. A quick tip here is to get your customers to agree to your payment terms before starting the work. Number 2, send it quicker. If you're not sending your invoice straight away, then it's too slow. Number 3, use invoicing software. One straightforward way to limit the amount of time chasing late payments is to use dedicated invoicing software. It keeps tabs of which invoices are unpaid, flags overdue invoices, sends automatic reminder emails, and allows you to accept instant online payments via credit card, debit card, or ACH services like PayPal. Number 4, be firm but fair with your overdue payment policy. It's important to establish your payment policy spine and have a plan for customers who do not meet the deadline. Figure out when you can be flexible and when you need to stand firm. Lastly, number 5, there's strength in numbers, so get help. If you are able to train a team member on invoicing, then this will save you a lot of valuable time and there's less risk of cash flow coming to a temporary stop if you're too busy. And that's the invoicing checklist and the final guide to invoicing video. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more small business content or want a bit more information, check out these videos. Give us a like and subscribe to stay up to date.